Hello everyone from Elif's kitchen. Today, I would like to share with you the recipe for Sherbet-soaked Dried Fig Dessert, which will delight your taste buds. Take about 20 to 25 dried figs, approximately half a kilo, and place them in a deep dish. Add enough hot water to cover them and cover the dish. Let the figs soften for about 15 to 20 minutes. I waited for about 20 minutes. Then, transfer the figs to a strainer. As shown in the video, cut off the stem part of each fig. Use your fingers to hollow out the middle part. Place one walnut inside each fig. Then place them in the pan. Next, as shown in the video, sprinkle 1 cup of sugar over the figs, ensuring the figs are covered. Then, pour a little less than 2 cups of water over them. Place the pan on the stove over medium heat and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, cover the pan and simmer the dessert until it thickens, for about half an hour. Let it cook on low heat for about 30 minutes, checking occasionally. The syrup should thicken to a jam-like consistency. The dessert has been cooking on low heat for about 25 minutes. Take a bowl. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of the syrup and place it in the freezer, just like making jam. Check the consistency of the syrup. My dessert's syrup has thickened. I cooked it for a total of half an hour on low heat. Let's take it off the stove and let it cool. Transfer the cooled desserts to a serving plate. Then, pour the remaining syrup from the pan over the desserts. Next, melt about 50 grams of butter. Drizzle the melted butter over the dessert. The dessert is now ready to serve, with its delicious flavor. I hope you try and enjoy it too. Bon appetit to those who will try it. If you like my video, you can support me by liking, commenting, and sharing. Thank you for watching and for your interest.